Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we'll just briefly go through the HONOR MagicBook 14 which was announced recently. This laptop doesn't have much difference compared to the HONOR MagicBook that we reviewed not too long ago. And a few key differences here is particularly the build quality. It's a bit better right now, and it also has this chamfered blue edge around the screen's lid itself. So those are two little touches which I really like in terms of its aesthetics. And one more key difference here is that the screen bezel at the top here, there's no longer a webcam at the top, which is kind of a disappointing move to make, but I guess that's okay because the webcam has now been moved into the keyboard instead. Yes, you have to press the webcam key, which is located between the F6 and F7 key for the webcam to pop out. And you still have that fingerprint plus power button, which is located outside of the keyboard array at the right side there, so I think that's convenient. And then the keyboard feels relatively the same as the MagicBook, the original one. And yeah, I think that's about it. The SSD has been shrunken from 512 gigs to 256 gigs, and the IO ports remain the same on both the left and the right side. You still get to charge via USB Type-C, which I still think is a very convenient thing to have, and it still runs on the Ryzen 5 3500U. And yeah, that's about it. The price of the HONOR MagicBook 14 is at $2,499, which I think is a bit steep, but yeah, you do get a few trade-offs here and there, but particularly a much better build quality with a much more beautiful design. And overall, I would just say that the screen now looks better because of that thinner bezel at the top, but of course the webcam has been moved down, so do keep that in mind if you use your webcam a lot. And that's all we have to say about the HONOR MagicBook 14. Do stay tuned for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!